This is part 2 of the quality care tutorials. Once you've added your clients, you can view all the clients under client in the top. Your company name will appear here. When you go on to adding areas, units, etc., it will be easier to zone in on one client at a time. Otherwise, everything shows up at the same time. So let's choose one. So now it's logged into only France company. You can hover over setup and choose areas. You'll see client has disappeared because you have only selected this client. Once you're in the areas section, there's two explanations of areas that I would like to put across. The first one is areas itself. So the areas that you would like to add units to. For example, kitchen, bathroom, outside area, parking area, etc. So these areas you would create and add certain units to them to make it easier from your side once you break it down. If there is a smaller area, for example a small little KFC on the corner, you would want to add KFC general, so you must at least add one area. You then would link all your units barcodes to that area. There might be 4 rodent bait stations in total and 2 UV light traps. So for smaller areas you'd only need to add a general area. But for larger ones, and if you want to keep more control, if there's lots of different types of pest control items and units within a certain room or within a sitemap, you might want to add separate areas for that and attach each unit to those areas. Then secondly, there is the areas barcode. So once you add a new service area, if for example in the kitchen you fumigate, you would want to put the barcode behind a door or somewhere discreet and create that area barcode within kitchen. So once you add a new service area, say for example we're doing KFC kitchen, your barcode description can have up to 3 letters. So I'm just going to call mine KIT, and you're going to do insecticides. Once you save that service area, it will actually allow you to print the barcode for that area. Okay, I've already used KIT in another area, so it just lets you know. It allows you to print that insecticides barcode for that area. So you only need to tick one of these if you're doing an actual service within that area. For example, you're putting down glue boards for rodents, then you would click rodents. It's not a physical unit that you need to stick barcodes onto. So the next section is units.